For just one-time cost, you can create unlimited kids' storybooks with consistent characters from just a single keyword like these in minutes. Not just this, you can also
create super consistent 3D characters, like the ones you'd see in big projects. Create professional product ads in seconds. All you need is one product image. It's that easy. Need mock-ups for t-shirts, mugs, or other products? Upload your logo or design, and Artistly does the rest. Want your ads to stand out online? Just upload one photo, and Artistly generates ads with perfectly accurate text that grab attention. Copy the style of any image you like and generate unique images with the same consistent style. Always dreamed of creating a children's book? With Artistly, you can turn your ideas into stunning storybooks or fun coloring books in no time. Have a cool t-shirt idea? Just type a keyword, and Artistly will instantly create hot-selling viral designs. Whether it's for YouTube or social media, Artistly helps you design eye-catching thumbnails that go viral in just seconds. Turn a single selfie into professional headshots in minutes. Recreate any viral image with your own content in just seconds. Change image backgrounds with one click, and they look stunning. Transform t-shirt mock-ups into high-end lifestyle photos instantly. Add or remove elements from your images with lifelike in-painting. Experiment with different styles by transforming your photos into unique artistic looks. Skip the hassle of prompts. Just type a single keyword and it generates the perfect detailed prompt for your desired image. Train your own AI models to create unlimited professional ads featuring your face, perfect for businesses or clients. Plus, there's a library of ready-made ad templates to help you stay ahead of the competition. You can expand your photos in any direction without losing quality. Here's the kicker. It's all for a one-time cost, no monthly fees, no credits to worry about. Just pay once and create unlimited images forever. I was skeptical at first. It sounded too good to be true. But when I checked online, I found thousands of satisfied users and glowing reviews on reputable sites like Capterra. This is honestly a hidden gem.